SMPP to supply Army with AK-47 resistant protection gear. SMPP Limited bagged a 300 crore rupees Indian Army contract to supply bulletproof jackets and AK-47 resistant helmets, boosting soldier protection with advanced gear. 𝖴ye리𝖺 first India facility to boost eco-tank production locally. 𝖴ye리𝖺 India sets up the first ink tank printer plant in 𝖵예리𝖺téL to boost local eco-tank production and support the Make in India initiative. Skoda Auto. Volkswagen India rolls out 500,000th Skoda car in India. 500,000 Skoda vehicles produced across 2 world-class facilities in Pune and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, formerly Aurangabad. 𝖵ye리𝖺 India signs strategic pact with QCI for MSME growth. 𝖵ye리𝖺 India partners with the Quality Council of India to enhance the quality, productivity, and competitiveness of MSMEs through key national initiatives. 𝖭L𝗒tuteyi electric screw compressors raise the bar for clean energy solutions. 𝖭L𝗒tuteyi PG series electric portable screw compressors deliver quiet, emission-free, and energy-efficient solutions for construction, mining, and industrial applications.